Good morning, dear followers. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your bazuband and what bazuband is in a fight. So you know that when I use a small shield, then bazuband is a steel plate which comes and covers your left arm, also the right arm, but let's say the left arm. Then in combination with the steel plate on your left arm and shield, you have many more possibilities. When you push the weapons aside, if it slides on this, nothing is going to happen. And there also we have accounts where the shamshir broke on the bazuband of the opponent. So it was actively used for parrying and also for deflecting. Now what can you do with bazuband? Let me just show this to you. Imagine you are fighting. One of the things you can do, you can place your sword here and defend against heavy strike. For example, you can here and you can defend, right? So you don't need just to put it here or shield here. So you can really actively build a bridge. So once you're here, you can actively build a bridge with this. Make sure that you put the flat of your blade here, your bazuband, then you can do it. Right? If you put the back of your blade, you expose your edge to the very heavy stroke, let's say 200 sword or so. Not very advisable. The best would be this. For example, I can come in, I can even go to the side. So one function is this. Another function that you can do when you are fighting, you can place it here, right? When you are here, you can piston shape, go and slide it and thrust or push cut. For example, I'm here, I can put it here, and then you can come and attack next to your shield. You see that that's a very good thing. So you're fighting, you're here, for example, imagine you defend, and you can just slide and you go to that and go and hit your opponent. So that's the second thing you can do. The third thing you can do is, instead of going together to build a bridge, you can actively use your shield and this and go to the legs, because this makes, in conjunction with the bazuband, a very good defense. So once you're here, you can do it and attack down there. So three functions. The first function is I can either go to the side, defend, then you can come and attack, or I can go meet his attack and then do it. Second function, when you have put it here, you can do here and cut. You can push cut or thrust. You can go here and thrust. You see that? Both sides are possible. And third one, you actively go up and you actively go up and defend and come to the leg. These are these three functions. Again, I'll show it to you. These are these three functions. Thank you very much.